What's up, YouTube? I had a tree in the road, and I guess the last end of winter, and I had it on the side. The wood guy never picked it up, so I thought, I'll just put it on the side. And today we almost ran into it, not paying attention. So look at what I got myself into. In the middle of summer, you don't cut wood in the summer. But don't worry, I wasn't going to cause a fire. It's in the gravel, so don't worry.
Yeah.
But the deal is that I'm going to load it in the back of my truck, because where I go eat lunch at this local, this bar that serves lunch in the early lunchtime, he cooks with all wood, and he's always low on wood. So I figured I'm going to bring him some wood. Maybe I'll get a lunch out of it, I don't know. But I'm going to load it up in the truck, but I still don't have a throttle. So now I'm going to creep it here in the granny tractor low and see if I can make it from down there up here with no throttle. So, you know, things got to work even if they're not working, right? You know. I guess I gotta give it a little gas.
What thing?
The condenser. One.
What part of it's not working?
It's not getting fuel through. Yeah. It's neutral, right? That's crazy, man.
The accelerator pump went out?
I don't know. That's crazy. This thing was running fine. Should have been the best it could be on there. Wow, unbelievable. Really shouldn't be clogged. It was never been used, you know what I mean?
Right.
I think maybe this is the problem.
What's that?
It's the accelerator pump, I think.
What does the accelerator pump do?
Pump gas.
It won't be fixed when we get that linkage?
No. No, we have a carburetor problem now. What's that barely even moving? It was working fine last time. Yesterday, wasn't it?
Okay.
So the bowl's full.
So it's just not going from that part into the bowls.
Yeah. Wow. That's awful. Unbelievable.
When all else fails, just hit it. Does it have a scientific name?
It's accelerator pump.
This? That's all that is?
Yeah, it's diaphragm thing. I don't know. I don't know a lot, man. I really don't. I'm not really a mechanic. Let's try to keep both things going. I don't even want to make a video. I'm so upset. This will probably be a video.
It is going to be a video. I'm
Yeah.
going to make it.
I'm so upset about it because this carburetor's new, man. But just because something's new, if it's out a long time, it doesn't mean it's not going to have problems. You know? It could have problems.
Well, I learned something today that the bowl is that and not inside there.
There's another one in the back. There's a floor barrel in the back. Let's get this started and then I'll go there. Everything's fresh besides that. Oh, I should probably do that. Let's pull these jets out and make sure they're not clogged.
Yum.
It's not clogged, but it sure is. It's funky too.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Not really anything you could do about that, though.
Parts one might be better, but I'm not trying to get into that. Maybe the guy who had that carburetor was trying to fix it. So it was maybe better than I thought it was. I've been just using it for parts because it was missing another part or two. Yeah, she's good.
What's that third bolt?
You think above?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, power valve. So like if that blows, like say it backfires out the carb or something, if that blows, then it'll run super rich. It'll smell
So
like
just
gas.
all the gas.
It'll smell like gas in the car. You get horrible gas mileage. You probably smoke.
Not any worse than me driving the Yukon in all-wheel drive.
Can't believe that for what, like a week? Oh my goodness! I knew right away. As soon as I started up, put in reverse, I said, "Wait a minute."
There's the parts one.
You gotta have a parts carburetor. That's how you keep old stuff running. You gotta have parts. Maybe the spring's bad, huh? On the other one. Remember I said I didn't like how it looked.
Yeah.
Look.
I don't
Guess
know.
what happened?
I don't know.
It
Why don't you
not-
try it and see?
This off. Could be that spring's weak. It was running though. This really. Nothing.
No?
That looks like we got a leak.
Yep. It's just pouring out when you're doing that.
starting to think there's some stuff going on here.
I already thought that.
Because when I broke down and all this, when it goes outside of the, let's say, the normal way of things,
Mm-hmm.
the normal order of things,
Mm-hmm.
is not right, then that usually means it's warfare. So, you know, we can accept, you know, sugar could break. I've never seen that before. Some things can happen, but now it's getting too far. It's too far now.
It's like $10 right there, man.
It is. I don't know why it would leak.
You got one more.
Which way this goes, so I'm just gonna guess. That'll work. This seems good, right? What's going on here? Is anything wrong here? Where's the other one? Oh, right there. This looks like the same kind of deal. No, your screen goes first. I think it goes that way. Alright. Just like now we gotta get back down there. Now we got like some more springy action in there, you know. Oh. Started to. Still not good. Hey, you don't even have an ignition on. You can't start. Oh, this truck wants to run. Alright, let's let it run. It's not like it wants to run, so let's see if it'll do that. It's not good. I guess the carburetor's clogged up, you know, or, you know, waking up, I don't know. It was brand new. It was just 40 years old. But it was literally sitting in a garage the whole time.
And it wasn't like hot, cold, hot, cold.
No, it's
consistent.
in a good climate, you know, where it's not where it doesn't freeze at night. It doesn't get really hot. Yeah, I don't know. Seems like I did something. It wouldn't run before. That's why you gotta have a parts carburetor. Always have. The stainless horrid, look at this thing. I've never seen one. It has all this plastic stuff and everything. I've never seen nothing like that. That's why I said it's just a parts carburetor, you know, I don't want this kind of stuff. barely getting any gas, like just a. What the end result will be with that. If it'll start getting better or what. But for whatever reason, it's not pumping enough gas. There's a clog or something.
But you got over here with no gas pedal.
I know, I told you I'm right. She's like, you can't drive, it's not safe, no gas pedal. She didn't know the worst situation was going to be that the brand new carburetor failed. She didn't even know.
Yeah.
But we got past that, and we got it to run like how old Phyllis likes to run, not quite right.
Yeah.
And then
it was running too good. See, that was the problem.
Oh man, I can't even believe this happened.
I can't even believe now I got 2 videos to edit.
Oh man, now I gotta load the wood. I gotta get wood to my friend
For burgers.
so he can cook the burgers for
The community.
Our great town.
Yeah.
You know, he needs that wood.
Alright, there you go.
Yeah,
Look at that.
he's gonna cook me lunch.
Yeah, maybe. There's a couple more. I helped, so I'll say I didn't.
So what do you guys think? Is the carburetor gonna hang in there?
Yeah, you got any ideas? Put it down below.
I think it's just, you know, waking up maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Well, anyway, I better get to editing now. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We're at
And if you guys
almost
think-
530 subscribers, so thank you.
Yeah,
We love each and every one of you.
Yeah, you know, subscribe. It's good. We're trying to hit 1,000. We've been doing YouTube for a long time, but I decided I want to try to get monetized. So I need 500 more subscribers. And so I appreciate it if you could do that. And then if you do that, then if I get there, then we're going to do, you know, the best we can with these videos. And that'll give us the initiative to bring in more cars and stuff.
Yeah.
And you know, camp more maybe.
Yeah.
But yeah, you know, like, you know, if you enjoy
And get Eli some kibble.
if you enjoy all
Some
this
bones.
all this messing around and stuff, you know, and you don't have something that breaks down all the time, you know, they're out there.
Or you do. Or you do.
Oh,
And
if you do,
we're
right
all
on,
learning
man.
together.
If you have time to watch videos and wrench, oh man,
More power to you.
yeah. And honestly, I really don't know what
Aw.
I'm doing. Hey, baby. Yeah, I
Aw.
really don't know what I'm doing. I just make it work. So anybody could do it. Oh boy, you like riding this old truck? Get a good old truck, baby.
All right. See you guys in the next one.